To change the Phantom Wallet Import Wallet, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a smooth and secure process. First, understand what Phantom Wallet is, which is a popular digital wallet used for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies, particularly on the Solana blockchain. The process begins with opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device, which can be a desktop computer or a mobile device, depending on where you have it installed. Once the application is open, you will see a dashboard that displays your current wallet balance and recent transactions. Next, locate the settings or gear icon, usually found at the top right corner of the dashboard, and click on it to access the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you will find an option to import or change wallet. Click on this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to select the type of wallet you want to import, such as a JSON file or a seed phrase. If you have a JSON file, select this option and navigate to where the file is saved on your device. Then select it to import. If you are using a seed phrase, select the seed phrase option and carefully enter the phrase, making sure to include each word in the correct order. After importing your wallet, you will be asked to create a new password for the wallet. This is an important step for security, so choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. You will also be asked to confirm the password by entering it again, to ensure you have typed it correctly. Once you have successfully imported your wallet and set a new password, you will be taken back to the dashboard, where you can view your updated wallet balance and transaction history. It is essential to double-check that all your funds and transaction history are correctly reflected in the new wallet setup. Best practices to keep in mind include always keeping your seed phrase or JSON file in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure cloud storage service. Never share your seed phrase or wallet password with anyone, as this can give them full access to your funds. Regularly back up your wallet to prevent loss of funds in case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently change your Phantom Wallet Import Wallet, ensuring the safety and accessibility of your digital assets.